Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mohammad Niamul Haq Basit. My ID is 2021-16054. I will give a presentation for our project for microprocessor and interfacing laboratory. Our course code is CSE 372. Our project name is laser based security system. Our group members are Lieutenant Nahinun Nabi Bhai, Lieutenant Kazi Tabassum Suraya Apu, me, Mohammad Niamul Haq Basit, and Riyad Ahmed. Uh, in this presentation, we will discuss about our project, a pioneering project, laser-based security system. It is typically involves the use of lasers for detection, tracking, and countermeasure purpose. These systems are employed in various fields encompassing laser basic detection, tracking, countermeasure, environmental effects. It is also cost effective and easy to implement. Also, we will focus on real-time monitoring, false alarming, and reliability. In this presentation, we will go through objective, equipment, circuit diagram, working principle, simulation, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion, and of course, result. The objectives of these projects are to fortify perimeter security, to act as a deterrent with the visible presence of laser technology, to provide real-time alerts and enable rapid response measures. Also, in this project, we have require low maintenance and real-time monitoring. Now, from here, my group mate, Lieutenant Kaji Tabassum Suraya Apu, will discuss.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am roll number 20191608 Kaji Tabassum Suraya. I will be talking about the equipments and circuit diagrams of our project. The equipments that we have used for this project are high power laser diodes, photodetectors, mirrors, Arduino, motor, buzzer, and power source. The circuit diagram. Here we can see in our one Arduino is connected with a motor driver by pin 8, 9, and 3 with the motor drivers enable pin input 1 and input 2. A 12-volt battery is connected with the motor driver and the other end is connected with the ground. On output 1 and output 2, a motor is connected. One LDR is connected through pin A1 and ground. We have used one buzzer which is connected through pin 12 and ground. We have used one control switch which is connected to pin 6 and ground. One window switch which is connected to pin 5 and ground. And we have used one LED which is connected to pin 2 and ground. Working procedure. Laser beams are emitted across a designated area. Mirrors are used to pass the rays, which are creating a path. The photodetectors are strategically placed to detect the interruptions in these laser beams. When any object obstructs these beams, these photodetectors trigger an alarm and activate the security systems. The next parts will be covered by my next speaker.
Assalamu alaikum. I am roll number 2021161138, Lieutenant Nahinun Nabi. Now, I will be discussing about the Arduino code which is used for our project. Here we can see the three inputs of motor driver, that is input 1, 2 and enable pin has been connected with the 8, 9 and 3 pins of Arduino. Our LDR is connected with A1 buzzer with 12 LED with 13 and consecutively window and control switch with 5 and 6. Here we have taken one input y is equal to 0, and why it is used it will be discussed in the later portion. In the void setup, we will be setting the pin mode of motor driver enable pin in 1 and in 2 as output, LED buzzer also as output, and there will be 3 inputs in our code. First one is LDR, then the window, and lastly the control switch. The serial begin is given for the baud rate. Next, in the main loop of our program, we will be we can see there is an if else loop. This will be actually our main code, and this delay is given for the Arduino to take the value after this time interval, and serial print this will be showing the value of the resistance of the LDR in this serial monitor. Firstly, if the value of the LDR is below 800, the buzzer will be high, and y will become 1. Now we have seen that in general cases, when the laser is falling on the LDR, the value of LDR is typically in between 800 to 1000. So that means if in second case you can see that we have placed the value between 800 to 1000 as buzzer low, that means it is the normal condition, and in these cases the buzzer will not be activated. But if here, as we can see, if the value of the buzzer, I mean the LDR resistance, is below 800, the buzzer will be automatically high and the value of y will become 1, and this motor section will be activated. In the motor section, we have defined if the digital read window equal low, then the in1 will be high and in2 will be low, and by last line analog write motor enable pin comma 60, it depicts the speed of the motor. Now if we go back to our previous portion, we can see while y is 1, the buzzer will be high, and if manually the control switch is made high, the value of y will be 0. It means if once the buzzer is interrupted, the buzzer will be high until someone manually gives the control switch a value high, then only the y will become 0, and again the normal loop will be running. So that's all about our code. Next portion will be covered by Riyadh. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Riyad Ahmed, ID 20211676. As per my part, I will be explaining about the advantages, disadvantages, result, difficulties we faced, and conclusion of this project. Laser-based security system offers several advantages. Some of them are explained down here. Precision. Laser-based security system provide precise detection and monitoring capabilities due to the focused nature of laser beams. Long range. They can cover significant distances, making them suitable for securing large areas or perimeters. Combat operations. Intruders find it challenging to bypass or tamper with laser beams without triggering alarms, making them a robust security measures. Overall, laser-based security system provide heightened security with accurate detection and minimal false alarms, making them a reliable choice for various security applications. While laser-based security systems offer many advantages, they also have some limitations. Costly implementation. Initial setup costs for laser systems can be high due to specialized equipment and installation requirements. Maintenance and calibration also add to ongoing expenses. Environmental interference. Harsh weather conditions such as heavy rain, snow, or extreme humidity can affect the performance of laser systems, reducing their effectiveness. Limited range. Some laser systems might have constraints in covering large or irregularly shaped areas efficiently, necessitating multiple units for comprehensive coverage. These limitations highlight the need for careful consideration of environmental factors, installation requirements, and ongoing maintenance when implementing laser-based security system. Result: enhanced intrusion detection. Our laser-based security system demonstrate heightened sensitivity, promptly detecting and alerting against unauthorized access, which leads to timely alerts and preventing unauthorized access. Real-time monitoring. This project provides continuous real-time surveillance, ensuring swift response to potential security risks. Cost-effective solutions compared to a traditional security system. Um, which is initial installation cost can be high. The reduced false alarms and efficient detection might lead to cost savings in the long run by minimizing security breaches and associated losses. Overall, the successful deployment of a laser-based security system can result in heightened security, reduced false alarms, and improved response capabilities, contributing to a more robust security infrastructure for the protected area. Difficulties we faced. As our project is um, based on many mirrors, so it was difficult to place the mirrors in suitable places with the specific angles. So it was tough actually, and also as we are not expert in this field, so it was our main window was not that much effective. In conclusion, laser-based security systems offer a range of advantages such as precise detection, reliability, and rapid response to potential threats. However, they also come with limitations, including accessibility to environmental factors, installation complexity, and ongoing maintenance cost. The effectiveness of a laser-based security system relies on careful consideration of its deployment, environmental conditions, and proper maintenance. When implemented correctly, the system can significantly enhance security, minimize false alarms, and provide a deterrent effect against intruders. Yet, their suitability for specific environments and the need for expert installation and ongoing upkeep should be weighed against their benefits to determine their optimal use in ensuring comprehensive security measures. Thank you.